Behold! The human balloon, which you will transform into a sea dragon!
But I don't know how could you get into so something of that.
Don't worry, Mel. Just remember the 3 steps. Do not bite.
Okay, that's nothing of that. Oh, I can't do it that motherfucker.
Remember your 3 steps.
Okay, I'll count you 10. First, it's time to take me back. First, let's go to total guide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's start over. Uh-oh. I know I'm feeling. I'm fucking angry. Oh, she's freaking one. The movie and roar. Let's see your on zombie run. I know really I don't care. Do it. I can't not do it. The
Wow! That's awesome!
Whoa, she said that no one feel or no bite.
Oh, yes! Wonderful! Oh, I'm so proud!
Wow, she said that not feel in that no more.
Of course! So cross it here, move it there, and...
Ta-da! Whoa, she's that is there. Woohoo! Yeah, cover, giver, thank you, Puyo, thank you. You know that.
'Twas an honor! Zoop! Ah!
A prop fin?
Now let's go outside. I'm never gonna ever think about again.